Hi, this is Trish Kristoffersen, and today I'm going to show you how to do something that I've made called strips. I use these in several different designs, so just follow the stitch guide that I have. The amount of chains may be different than the one I'm showing you today, but today I'm going to show you how to do 5. So you would make 5 chains. And then you're going to slip stitch it in the chain space indicated. You're going to turn your work to the back. And I leave the working thread in the front. You're going to put your hook underneath the chain space you just made. And you're going to pull up a loop and pull through, and then you're going to immediately pull it through the loop that's on the hook, and then chain 1. And I have this so that it coincides with the amount of chains will be the amount of times you're working around the chains. So that was 1, and then there's a chain 1 in between. So that's 2, 3, 4, and then you might have to pull these down slightly sometimes, and then this would be the 5th one, and then you turn it back to the front again, and I leave the thread, the working thread, in the back. And what this does is it has a really cute little effect. Let's see if I can zoom in here for you. It's a different effect than just single crocheting around the chains. It gives it more of a little zigzag. So see if you can see that. Okay, so let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in the chain space indicated. Turn your work to the back. Insert hook underneath the chain space made, chains, and then pull directly through the chain loop on the hook, and chain 1. Insert hook under the chain space, pull up a loop, and immediately through the loop on the hook, chain 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Turn them to the front. That's it. Thanks for watching.